Pag-usapan nga natin, coach, no, sa pre-game kung gaano ka-importante itong mga ball game dito ngayon. Pangatlong ball game na to for Lashat Dubai. Isa na lang yung natitira for them. So, rest matters talaga.
Oo, and that's what I was telling Coach Alvin nga din kanina and sa'yo, partner, no, na itong mga Lashat Dubai na to, nakalaban na namin to ever since the season 1. Ito sila Coach Jem. Nakita ko na rin na lumaki at nag-improve yung katawan nitong mga players na to at yung galing nila as well. So, hoping, no, na makakita tayo ng improvement.
Narca fires from downtown. The rebound here for the red shirts of Lashat Dubai. Santos with a fake. Santos. A good D here by Rojas. Salcedo in transition. 1 against 2. Salcedo.
Yeah.
Oh, denied by Santos. Top by Pineda. Picked up by Rojas. This drive, short. Tap outside again. Spin. One-hander. Rattles in. For Lashat Dubai, that's on Ashton Apigo. Here comes the white shirts. Pass inside, stolen away by Lashat Dubai. Bakadangdang.
Grabe. Ilalagay na lang yung bola sa ring eh.
Quarter.
Oo, no, Harvey Makadangdang. Hindi ko sure kung nakasama namin yan sa season 1 to season
15 seconds to shoot. Nice fake. Short lang.
Libre.
Makadangdang. In transition. Here comes the dunk. Two-handed slam jama.
Kanina niya pa gusto mangyari yan eh. You can see the smile lang talagang look to score.
Pang baro-baro talaga eh, no? Pero tignan muna natin. Itong two-handed slam. Itong si Makadangdang.
Factor kasi is because both teams hindi talaga nagiging consistent yung runs. Give natin yung yung benefit na talagang ang gagaling kasi nila dumepensa. They're both pesky in their own ways pero kailangan something has to happen kung gusto nila manalo dito. Something like that. Good drive.
Good drive nga. Good teardrop. Nakasabi ng mga bata ko against each other. Santos na nakawan doon. Slow step. Oh, good rebound here.
Pag-aalataan yung mga magagaling veterano talaga eh.
Nice bump
Good
here.
drive.
Oh, off the gas.
Wow.
Eto, run na, coach. Nagka-run na.
Yun na. And that's a good timeout by their coach.
This is a 9-point lead now for Dubai. Kanina, isa lang. Ngayon, it's 8-0 run for Dubai. Last shot, kaya napatawag ka agad ng timeout. Itong here, coach, no, kahit ang lakas ng ulan sa labas. Marami pa tayong laro dito. Still have, after this, 2 to go.
Yeah. That's 10-0 run na, partner, no? Quarter niyan.
Totoo ka dyan, coach, no? Kasi nga, alam naman natin, if you are down in a ball game, sa third quarter ka dapat bumawi. Ngayon, binawian ka.
Totoo.
Wow! Ducilio.